Are you looking for delectable vegan snacks to eat during the day at work or school, during movie evenings, dinner parties, or picnics? There's nowhere else to look. We'll discover several appropriate plant-based snacks for any situation. Keep everything plant-based to maintain your vegan lifestyle while enjoying delicious sweets. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a delightful exploration of the diverse regions that make our world truly remarkable. But before we delve into our compelling journey, we invite you to hit that subscribe button, share, and join our vibrant community of snack enthusiasts. Scrumptious vegan snacks for movie nights. A movie night at home would only be complete with delicious snacks while watching the newest independent or blockbuster film. There are several ways to make tasty vegan-friendly goodies for people who follow a plant-based diet, so you won't miss the classic movie nibbles. An old pleasure that's easy to organize is popcorn. Instead, air pop your kernels and drizzle them with vegan butter or melted coconut oil. Add a little sea salt, a dash of garlic powder, and some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor for a flavorful explosion. What was the outcome? A tasty, crispy snack that is difficult to put down. However, why end with popcorn? Make some vegan nachos to elevate your movie snacking experience. Start with a bed of crispy tortilla chips, then top with gorgeously melted vegan cheese shreds baked under the broiler. Add sliced jalapenos, diced tomatoes, black beans, and a generous amount of guacamole on top for a vibrant and delicious mixture. Homemade sweet potato fries are another easy but tasty option. Cut up some sweet potatoes, add olive oil and your preferred seasonings, and bake until they get crispy. For added taste, you may dip these into vegan ketchup or aioli. Embrace the fun of movie night by getting creative with your snacks. The key is experimenting with different seasonings and combinations to keep everything plant-based and delicious. With these vegan snack ideas, you won't have to pause the movie for a snack run. You'll have everything you need for a cozy, satisfying night in. Elegant vegan appetizers for dinner parties. The appetizers you select for a plant-based dinner party influence the overall vibe of the event. Impress your visitors with sophisticated, visually stunning, and delicious vegan appetizers. Add a refined spin on the traditional bruschetta by spreading a colorful mixture of chopped tomatoes, basil, and balsamic reduction over crispy baguette pieces. Serve stuffed mushrooms, cooked till golden and packed with a creamy blend of vegan cream cheese, garlic, and herbs for a hint of luxury. Take the opportunity to showcase the versatility of vegan cuisine with a platter of mini vegetable tarts. Using a flaky vegan pastry crust, fill each tart with a medley of seasonal vegetables and a rich, savory cashew cream. Another exquisite option is a chilled avocado and cucumber soup served in small glasses, garnished with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes and a drizzle of olive oil for a refreshing start to the meal. To encourage mingling and conversation, present a beautifully arranged cheese board featuring an assortment of artisanal vegan cheeses, crackers, and fresh fruit. Pair this with a selection of olives, nuts, and a vibrant beet hummus for dipping. These appetizers cater to a plant-based lifestyle and introduce all your guests, regardless of their dietary preferences, to the depth and variety of vegan cuisine. With these sophisticated starters, you're sure to impress and leave your guests eagerly anticipating the main course. Refreshing vegan snacks for summer picnics. Summertime picnics are the perfect occasion to share delicious cuisine with others outside, and adding some excellent vegan snacks to the mix can make the experience much more enjoyable. Imagine removing the rice paper from colorful spring rolls stuffed with crunchy bell peppers, soft avocado, and crisp carrots. When paired with a tart peanut dipping sauce, they provide a pleasing light symphony of textures and flavors. Consider assembling fruit kebabs featuring chunks of watermelon, pineapple, grapes, and strawberries for a sweet counterpoint. These vibrant sticks of freshness can be dipped in a chilled dark chocolate sauce for a delightful twist. Not only are they a hit among adults and kids alike, but they also provide hydration and a natural source of sugar for energy. Chickpea salad sandwiches also make for an excellent picnic staple. Mix chickpeas with vegan mayo, diced celery, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve this creamy, protein-rich filling between slices of whole grain bread or lettuce wraps for a gluten-free option. Remember to make some homemade lemonade with lavender or fresh mint. This traditional thirst quencher is portable and ideal for washing your picnic meal. Striking the right balance between flavors and textures can make a tasty dinner that supports a plant-based diet. Whole, fresh products can create a delicious and nutritious picnic meal. Quick and healthy vegan snacks for work or school. Navigating a busy day at work or school requires snacks that are quick to prepare, healthy, and energizing. Thankfully, the plant-based world offers many options that fit the bill perfectly. For a protein-packed snack that will satisfy you, consider roasted chickpeas seasoned with your favorite spices. They're crunchy, flavorful, and can easily be made in large batches to last throughout the week. A lovely combination of sweetness, protein, and healthy fats can be found in almond butter and banana over whole grain toast, which makes for a satisfying midday pick-me-up. Vegetable sticks combined with a thick, creamy hummus make for a crunchy, nutrient-dense snack for people who would rather chew. The fiber from the veggies and the protein from the hummus will work together to help you avoid hunger until your next meal. An excellent alternative is a portable smoothie loaded with leafy greens, sweetened with banana and plant-based milk, and enriched with nut butter for extra fat and protein. This makes a quick and easy breakfast that you can take wherever you go as a healthy and portable snack. For a sweeter treat, oatmeal energy bites are an excellent choice. Combine rolled oats with dried fruits, nuts, seeds, and a bit of maple syrup or agave nectar to bind everything together. These can be customized based on personal preference and are easy to grab when you're in a rush. Each of these snacks is designed to be quick to prepare, delicious, and most importantly, aligns with a plant-based lifestyle, ensuring you're fueled and ready to tackle your day. Decadent vegan treats for special occasions. Extraordinary delights that wow guests with rich flavors and enchant their taste senses are necessary for special occasions. Explore the world of vegan baking with this stunning vegan chocolate cake. It has layers and frosting made with smooth avocado chocolate ganache, which gives it a rich, deep chocolate flavor. Try making some vegan macarons with aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, to get that distinctive crunchy outside and chewy inside, and then stuff them with colorful fruit jams or rich dark chocolate ganache. Make a vegan pavlova with whipped coconut cream and a crown of fresh seasonal fruits for a healthier but decadent choice. It's difficult to top the symphony of sensations and flavors created by the contrast between the fruit's soft cream and tartness and the crisp meringue-like base prepared with aquafaba. Discover the beauty of vegan tarts with recipes like a lemon pie that strikes the perfect balance between sweetness and tartness and is garnished with a dab of vegan whipped cream or a rich, salted caramel tart with a gluten-free almond flour crust. These sweets will please any dessert connoisseur with their sophisticated tastes, textures, and appeal to vegans. Showcase the beauty and diversity of vegan desserts for your special occasions, demonstrating that plant-based sweets can be just as plentiful and fulfilling as their meat-based counterparts. Finally, we have looked at a delicious selection of vegan snacks that may be enjoyed for various occasions and everyday pursuits. With alternatives to suit all tastes and occasions, each choice highlights the richness and diversity of plant-based food. Adopting a vegan lifestyle has never been easier or more delicious. From savory snacks for a cozy movie night to sophisticated appetizers for get-togethers, refreshing bites for sunny picnics, and quick, wholesome options for busy days. These recipes are meant to excite you about cooking and show that going plant-based does not compromise taste or satisfaction. So let these suggestions help you enjoy a varied and mouth-watering assortment of snacks, regardless of your experience with plant-based eating or your desire to include more plant-based options. Here's to finding joy and indulgence in vegan snacks that are as good for you as they are for the planet. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What did you think about our video? Subscribe for more content like this, hit the like button, and share. Also, comment if you have a topic you want us to cover. Until next time, remember, always let vegan treats be your sweet escape.